While you pay taxes on every dollar you earn, billionaires have 5 legal ways to pay almost nothing. Here's what they don't teach you in school. The tax code isn't designed to be fair, it's designed to reward wealth builders. Middle class pays income tax. The wealthy? They barely have income at all. I'm about to show you 5 legal strategies the ultra-rich use to pay almost nothing. And strategy number 3? It's so simple, you could start using it next month. I've studied tax returns from over 10 ultra-high net worth families. What I found will change how you think about taxes forever. These aren't illegal loopholes. They're strategies built into the tax code by design. The same government that taxes your paycheck created these wealth preservation tools. Strategy 1. Rich people don't take salaries, they take equity. Most billionaire CEOs take tiny salaries but huge stock packages. Stock gains aren't taxed until you sell, so they can be worth billions and pay almost no income tax. So the wealthy just never sell. But here's where it gets really clever. Strategy 2. They use their assets as collateral to borrow money tax-free. Need 10 million for a yacht? Don't sell stocks and pay capital gains tax. Borrow against them at 2% interest. Selling 10 million in stocks? That's 3 million in taxes. Borrowing against them? 0 taxes, and the interest is often tax deductible. The wealthy live off borrowed money while their assets keep growing tax-free. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Comment below, did you know borrowing against assets was tax-free? Most people have no idea. Strategy 3. Everything becomes a business expense. That Tesla? Company car. The home office? Business deduction. Travel, meals, even personal coaching, all business expenses. Here's what's crazy. You can start doing this too. Freelance writing, photography side hustle, consulting? Boom, you're a business owner. That laptop you bought? Business expense. Internet bill? Business expense. Even part of your rent if you work from home. But the real power move is what comes next. Strategy 4. Charitable donations that aren't really donations. Rich people donate millions to charity and get massive tax deductions. But here's the twist. They often still control that money. They create family foundations, donate to them, get the tax write-off, then pay their family members' salaries to run the foundation. It's like getting a tax deduction for moving money from your left pocket to your right pocket. Even better? The foundation can buy art, real estate, or other investments that the family benefits from. Strategy 5. Geography is tax strategy. Zero income tax states like Florida versus high tax states like California, that's a 10% plus difference. When wealthy people move to these states, they can save millions annually. And you don't even need to live there full time. They establish residency, set up businesses there, then spend most of their time wherever they want. Here's what's really happening. The tax code is incredibly complex by design. Most of it isn't about collecting taxes, it's about incentivizing specific behaviors. Business ownership, real estate investment, charitable giving. The government wants to encourage these activities, so they reward them with tax breaks. The wealthy didn't break the system, they learned how to use it. And here's the uncomfortable truth. These strategies are available to everyone. Most people just don't know they exist. Now, before you get too excited, remember this. These strategies require planning, compliance, and often significant upfront investment. You can't just decide to pay 0 taxes tomorrow. But you can start building wealth in tax-advantaged ways today. The biggest difference between the wealthy and everyone else? They think taxes first on every financial decision. Should I buy or lease? How does this affect my taxes? Should I take salary or equity? What are the tax implications? Think taxes first. If you want to build generational wealth, you need to start thinking like this too. Next week, I'm breaking down the exact tax strategies first-generation earners can use to keep more of what they make. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. And comment taxes if you're ready to stop overpaying and start building wealth the smart way.